Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Chevy Traverse with keys inside. First, always check if you have a spare key available. It's the simplest solution. Many newer models also offer connected services like on Star, allowing you to remotely unlock your vehicle with a phone call or through their mobile application. This can save you a lot of time and hassle, often taking just a few moments to complete the process. If a spare key or remote service isn't an option, your next best step is to contact roadside assistance. Many auto insurance policies or vehicle warranties include this valuable service. A trained professional will arrive with specialized tools, such as a wedge and a long-reach tool, to safely open your Chevy Traverse. They can usually get your door open in under 15 minutes, ensuring no damage to your vehicle's paint or window seals. For those comfortable with a do-it-yourself approach, the wedge and rod method can be effective. You'll need a plastic wedge to gently pry open a small gap, about 1/2 inch at the top of the door frame. Then, carefully insert a long, flexible rod, like a coat hanger straightened out, through this gap. Aim to hook or press the unlock button or lever inside. This method requires patience and a steady hand to prevent any scratches or dents. To prevent future lockouts, always make it a habit to carry a spare key or keep one safely stored at home. Explore your Chevy Traverse's remote access features, like a smartphone app, and ensure they are set up and functional. Before you close and lock your doors, take an extra 5 seconds to confirm your keys are not inside. A little vigilance can save you significant time and frustration down the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.